Wabula abaana mmwe kye mukoze Chameleon ne Juliet mbu babadde bagenda kukola ki kukisinga. Juliet yabadde ayagala kiisi gundi n'agimumma Chameleon. Nze nange mbala yenade ngenda gabana bana balayika bagezaako kubanga bali mu kusaakanya bakola bintu naye ngenza okulaka video kamalayo nga But anyway guys, Chameleon nga ateredde, he's getting better and better. Obalaba kati akwata ne mic nabeera nga kanga mwa wayimbamu ne banne Weasel naye mulabye wa wabaddewo nnyo kugamba labe ya enjoying the moment. Nenga mukwana kujukiza nti this is Patricia's latest. Make sure that you don't forget to subscribe, like and share, era tapping a notification bell oberenga o getting notified kubuli chentekayo wano ku channel. Anyway, katusoke tulabye ate abantu bano.
Maybe it's a wonderful. Welcome back from 2024. We're in 2025. You understand? Love when you love, hate when you hate. Hate when you hate, and love when you love. But no reason to hate. You understand? Chase your dreams, resilience, persistence, endurance. Yeah, success comes. Blessings are there, but it's success that you work for. So we shall get there. Never give up. Bam. J and J. No triple J, double J. You understand? Julie, Joseph. Bim.
Keep chasing your dreams.
That's what it is. If you don't chase them, no dream will chase you. And when you stand still, you're going nowhere. Get somewhere, do something, get somewhere.
Keep doing you.
I wish I could speak in Luganda, but today I choose to speak in English. Yeah, I wish I could speak some Swahili, but today I choose to. Anyway, the rest is another day. Good night, good morning, good evening. We love you. Okay?
I love you, Ma.
I love you, Mama.
Anyway guys, bewo no kati obudde buno we bali wabula nga Chameleon ndoza ye ate kati agenda atereramu. Weasel, he's doing great. Nabalaze na David ebintu ebimu ku Weasel byakola gye eri atanalira agenda ogikebereko wabula nga ate nkujukiza nti wera yakwanga o subscribing, liking and sharing, tapping a notification bell oberenga o getting notified when nteekayo video empya ku eno channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.